Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix gray screen problem in Moto G Max. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.